put food on the table and you fill up the tank. Pay what you owe to the boys at the bank. Live another day thanks to the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun up to the sundown. They can build it tall, they can tear it on down. They got the know-how, but you got the money. Hit you hard as a hammer if you pick a fight, but they'd rather hold a pretty girl tied tonight to the rough and dirty, strong and sturdy hands of a working man. Of a working man look kinda funny, sticking out of white shirt sleeves on Sunday. They're more at home holding a rod and a real 9-pound hammer or a steering wheel. There's leather and steel in the hands of a working man. Working hard from the sun